Video 3. Unaccompanied foreign minors. If you are under 18 years old, in Italy you are minore or minorenne, which means a minor. If you are minore and you travel to Italy alone, or you left your country with your parents, but then you were separated from them, you are an unaccompanied minor. Un minore non accompagnato. When you first go to the questura, you must say that you are minore. If you have family in Italy or in another country in Europe, tell the police. It is possible to call these relations, find out where they are, and find out if it would be possible for you to go and live with them. The questura calls the courts and the judge to let them know that you arrived in Italy alone. The judge is a person who works in the courts to protect your rights. If you are unaccompanied, the judge makes certain decisions for you. For example, the judge decides who is your tutore. According to law, the judge must choose your tutore straight away, but sometimes months pass before the judge decides. The tutore is an adult who is responsible for you. This means that while you are without your parents, it is the tutore who signs all your documents. The tutore, after having listened to you, can present your asylum claim for you. The tutore does not live with you, but you can call him or her if you need to go to the questura or if you need information about your documents. The questura informs the judge, the tutore, and the court in which SPRAR centre you are going to go and live. If you are minore and you claim asylum in Italy, you have the right to enter the reception system for Asylum Seekers and Refugees, which is the SPRAR. If there is no space in the SPRAR, you stay in a temporary centre until it is possible to host you in a SPRAR centre. According to law, you should not stay in a temporary centre for more than 60 days. In this centre, you should have access to someone who will ask you how you are, why you left your country, and what you want to do in Italy. If you do not understand the language, you can ask for help from a mediatore who can translate for you. If the police, the judge, or your tutore does not believe your age, they may ask you to do a medical examination. First, they must explain to you what type of medical examination it is and why you should do it. The medical examination is required in order to confirm your true age. If the doctor says that you are actually an adult, you go to a SPRAR centre. You have the right to appeal against this decision, and for this you need the help of a lawyer. You have the right to call your family. If you don't know their number, don't worry. In the SPRAR centre there is somebody to help you find their number. As minore, you have the right to an education and the duty to go to school.